Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Cordless window vacuum cleaner from Silvercrest. Get a streak-free finish to windows and glass. Also suitable for other smooth surfaces such as shower screens and tiles. Includes suction nozzle, 360 ml container, runtime 40 minutes, 3.7 volt battery, 3 years warranty and wastewater tank 150 ml max. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. Included we have in the manual. If you want to read it, your choice, but stay with me, we're going to find out all about this product. Type A to Type C 1 meter cable. You need to charge this device. Here we have the vacuum attachment, soft rubber at the front. You can install that here and it locks. Press the button to unlock. So easy. Silicone rubber around here, seal it very well. Next we have two fiber cover. Water container with 360 ml capacity. The spray nozzle. The wiper. Here you can install the cloths. The fiber cover. Nice. You can spray and clean. Remove the container, fill up with water. Nice, I like it. And we have another one, two total. And the device, soft elements, I like that, at the handle. The on-off switch with indicator, blue indicator. Press and after 1 second it turns on. Nice. You can remove the suction head, press these two buttons, pull, and you can remove the suction head if you want to clean it. Press and it locks. Transparent window here, just watch. Ventilation, the dirt water container, pull to remove, 150 ml it is the maximum. You can pull that and empty the container. Silicone rubber, it stays very secure. It has this metal ball inside. And it locks. Soft plastic. I like it. I like the color, white and blue. The charging port, Type C. You can plug it in and charge it. Inside it has a Lidl battery 3.7 volt 2200 mAh. Charging time it takes about 2.5 to 3.5 hours and run time 40 minutes. I can't wait to test it. I just love it, how it looks. So let's charge it. You need a 5 volt 2 amps. Red light, that means it's charging. Perfect. It can stay at this position. Nice. If you are looking for any easy, no-mess way to keep your glass surfaces spotless, check out the window vacuum cleaner. It's definitely worth it for its performance and value. Well, that brings us to the end of our review of the Silvercrest Cordless Window Vacuum Cleaner. This little machine genuinely takes the chore out of window cleaning. Its ergonomic design makes it comfortable to hold, and the quick operation means you can clean without disturbing anyone. The real magic is how effortlessly it sucks away dirty water, preventing those frustrating streaks and leaving your glass sparkling with minimal effort. It's perfect for windows, glass tables, shower doors, and even car windows. What's your top tip for keeping windows clean? Share your secrets in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more reviews on handy home products. Until next time, enjoy the clear view.